Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Downloader as well as Filelinked. Make sure to hit that like button, share the video, and subscribe to learn more about streaming. Let's get to it. Scroll over to Settings and you click the down button. Scroll over to the right to My Fire TV. You're going to select Developer Options. Now you're going to enable both ADB Debugging and Apps from Unknown Sources. Click ADB to turn on, and then click here for unknown sources to turn on. Go ahead and click the home button. Okay, now what you're going to do is click the search icon. Now you can either type out Downloader or you can say it in your Alexa remote. Downloader. Downloader will pull up, you'll click on it. Now what you're going to want to do right here is you're going to click Get right here to get a free download. Alright, got the app. Go ahead and click OK. And now what we're going to do is type in get.filelinked.com. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Click Go. This just should take a second. You're going to click Install. Okay, once the app's installed, you're going to click Open. Next screen you will see is the screen that you will enter the file link code that I will provide to you to download the app. If you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and hit the like button, leave me a comment below, share the video, as well as subscribe to learn more about how to cut the cord.